I bought this smartwatch. You can see i20 Ultra 3 Max Suit. So join me as I'll be unboxing so that I can see the contents inside. So guys, now as you can see, here's the watch, brand new with the seal. I've not opened it before. You can see, look, let's check the back. These are the back looks. Made in China. You can take time to see all this. And here's the name. Here is i20 Ultra 3 Max Suit. So it comes with the watch plus earbud, and you can see the earphones and the whole thing. So let's unbox it. Okay. Yeah, the carton. Okay. Here's the manual, I think. One side written in Chinese, while the other side in English. So the watch comes with different strap. I think 7 straps all. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it comes with 7 straps plus a chain strap, you can see. So let's see. Here's the charger. This is a type C charger. USB. Okay, here's the watch wireless charger, I think so. Or is it for the watch or for the earbuds? We'll check later. Yes, for the okay, yes, for the watch casing. It's plastic. So here's the earbud. You can charge it right here. Okay, just for earbud charging. Earbud charger. You can plug it and charge it. Let's open it. Wow. Okay. Look really nice. Okay. Okay. And here's the watch proper. So it is smartwatch. I think there's the speaker. Let's try here. It's not on. Maybe to need a charge. Maybe the battery has run down. They will charge it first of all. Not powering on. So here are the different straps. This one is how does it work safe? How do they even put this one? It's maybe something like this. Huh. Me, I'm confused though. I don't even know how this one is fixed. Yes, for the chain. What kind of straps are these? This one is rubber. It's not even plastic. Okay. This one comes here. The strap, they look so... They don't look thick. They don't look. This one is looking so light, like something that will quickly get spoiled. I don't like the color of the straps. They are all white, and I don't like the color of the straps. There's no black in it. The strap, they're looking so. So I believe you can see all these are what's come with the watch, or this one. So thanks for watching, and bye.